Now, would it be a toy? I guess if you on a motorbike and you drive it for like warmer months, which there are not that many here where I am, you might be able to ride from the beginning of spring or middle of spring to middle of autumn if you're lucky. If you only ride in those times and only on the weekends, I'll give it up. I'm like, okay, I guess it is kind of a toy. Again, not necessarily luxury, but it will be a toy unless obviously you're going for, you know, Panigale V4 R-R type things, which those are expensive. So, as you see, it's quite foggy, and I was going to be talking about an effect that I've been having with the fog, which is that after a little bit, the fog condensation just accumulates in your visor, so you don't really see that well, because you need to constantly go and clean up the visor. And now that I just turned on the camera again, I realized that that same effect is happening to the camera. So yeah, imagine driving like that. Right, there is no windshield wipers to make it nice and clean again. So again, this is an argument that, you know, motorbikes are not a luxury. We did establish that they can be a toy, and I wanted to, let's see if I can clean this a little bit. I hope that the image has improved. So I was gonna